Question number 2. Two parallel slits are illuminated by light composed of two wavelengths. Okay, so there's two wavelengths. One of the wavelengths is 645 nanometer. So the other wavelength is unknown. So this is unknown. So on a viewing screen, the light with wavelength 645 nanometer produces its third order. Okay, so it's mentioned here, third order bright fringe. So this is a bright fringe and it is at the third order at the same place where the light with wavelength B produces its fourth dark fringe. So this one, again, they mentioned the order. So this is fourth, so this is telling us the fourth dark fringe, not the order number. So this is the so this is the fourth dark fringe. So remember, if it's at the fourth dark fringe, the order number is 3. Okay, it's not gonna be 4. So M is equal to 3 lah. Alright, so now we have to calculate the unknown wavelength lah. So we have to determine the unknown wavelength. It mentioned that the fringes are counted relative to the central or the zeroth order bright fringe. Okay, so now let's look for the equation for bright fringe. We know that bright fringe is, this one is bright fringe. Don't forget about that. So y m lambda d over small d. This is also in our notes, which is shown here lah. Okay, so this is for bright fringe, whereas this one is for dark fringe. Okay, alright, now substitute all the values. So this is gonna be this is gonna be y untuk A, sa punya light A, and then 3 lambda A d over d. Okay, so this one, what do we know? We know that this is gonna be m plus half lambda d over small d. So this is gonna be for light B, order number 3, b d over d. Okay, so if you look at these two, what can be equate is, what is the same for these two situation is the slit width is gonna be the same, the distance of the slit from the slit to the screen is also gonna be the same. So we can actually equate them lah. Actually it is mentioned here that the fringes are counted relative to the central or the zeroth or the bright fringe, meaning that the separation of this, we can actually equate this two lah. Okay, so so this is gonna be 3 alpha A d over small d, 3 plus half lambda B d over d. So what can you cancel out? This one. Okay, terus kita dapat 645 nano tapi kita biar jalan nano. So 7 over 2 B. So we'll then get the wavelength for light B to be equal to 552.86 nanometer. Okay, so actually if you do not know, so the separation between the central bright fringe, central ataupun the zeroth or the bright fringe is the same for light A and B lah. That's why kita dapat equate these two. Alright? Okay, so that is the solution for question number 2.